Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be playing Raindrop Serenade, the cello part. I have my electric with me to play, make it sound like a cello, even though it might not look like a cello. What we have going on outside my window is today's the day that they've come to repave my street. So if you hear a lot of like rumbling noises, like it's a thunderstorm, it's just a bunch of trucks tearing up my street. Maybe I'll let you look at it later if that's what interests you. Anyway, so Raindrop Serenade is kind of hard to do in this video format because of all the random stuff that happens at the beginning. The first four measures don't have time. And then at measure 5, it starts with in tempo. And on my music, it says the quarter note is 144, which is actually a little bit faster than what we tried to do in class. So I have my metronome, and I have it set to 112. That's what the speed is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just conduct the first 4 measures with everyone starting at different times. So even though the cello starts in the second measure, I'm not going to play it there because I'm going to need to turn on the metronome when we get up to measure 5. And then I will actually start playing at measure 9, where the cellos start playing regular notes. Okay? That's how we're going to do this. Okay? So get ready. And I'm going to conduct. Here's measure 1. Cello start measure 2. Here we go. Continue measure 3. Measure 4. And 1, 2, measure 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, out. 8, ready, 9, 2, and sorry about the notes. And 13, and 21. Okay, there you have it. Raindrop Serenade, cello part. Okay, that's it for this video. I will see you next time.